Hello everyone, I'm Nathan from the CANBEST support team. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot an LED screen. Today I'll be explaining a fairly common troubleshooting scenario, which is known as screen scrambling. This is mainly caused by a chaotic wiring diagram within Nova LCT. So we need to go into the software and recreate the wiring diagram. First, we need to open the Nova LCT software, then click on this login button. Select the first option, synchronous login. The password is 666. Then click on Screen Configuration. Click Next. First, we can use a feature within the screen configuration called the mapping function. Let's open mapping. Mapping allows us to see the order of the cabinets. Then we can use these markers to create the wiring diagram. For the first step, we must first read the cabinet's parameters. There is a readback function right here. This refers to receiving card 1, Ethernet port 1, and sending card 1. Then port 1 and receiving card 1. Now our cabinet parameters will appear here. Width and height, 192 by 192. We need to go back to screen configuration and change these parameters to 192 by 192. Now this screen is 8 columns by 4 rows. So we need to change it to 8 columns and 4 rows here. Next we have to recreate the wiring diagram. This one here is port 1. Connect them. Then port 2. Finally, click Send. Now we can turn off the mapping and check the current status of the screen. You'll see that it's actually back to normal now, just like it was before. The final step is to save this data. Alright, that's all for today. That's all for how to solve screen image scrambling. If you have any questions in the future, feel free to contact our CANBEST technical team anytime.